Hey everyone, so in this video I want to be talking a little bit about financial mindset. As traders, we're always in this mindset of wanting to accrue capital and wanting to make money, also not wanting to lose money, but there's a whole different mindset out there that goes along with bigger picture stuff in terms of financial independence and financial well-being. And that relates to expenses, opportunity cost, and things along those lines. So I personally have always been fairly financially conservative. I have fond memories of eating cold cans of soup while living out of my beat-up Honda Civic, traveling around the country, and doing so on a budget that was less than I would have been paying if I was living somewhere paying rent. But it boils down to, you hear all the examples of, if you forego a cup of coffee a day and save this much money. A rough example of that would be if you have a $4 cup of coffee, you have it 3 times a week, and if you eliminate that, you just saved a significant amount of money. Let's just say you had a $20,000 trading account, and to make 10% on the year and match the S&P 500, that's $2,000. If I cut out that 3 times a week coffee, I just saved $620, and that is essentially a 3% increase. It would be equivalent to the amount of money in my pocket is a 3% increase in my account. So we can view it that way as well. Not only is how much is your account making, but how much money is in your pocket. So I could choose to have a new car. Back when I was seeing my capital increase significantly with the cryptocurrency space and then the marijuana sector a few years ago, I continued driving the same beat up 10-year-old $7,000 used Subaru because it worked fine and it served all of my needs, and I didn't need to up that. And that new $30,000 car is the equivalent to, say, going out to eat 600 times over the next 5 years. So again, have that mindset of opportunity cost. I could buy this. What else could that money go towards? I talk about monitors. You see thousands of dollars spent on monitors in these big elaborate systems. Personally, I've never found the need for that with any of my trading. I've always spent $120 on or less on my monitors, and I've had maybe 4 in my trading career. So I currently have 2 $120 monitors, and let's say the alternative is a $2,000 setup. Me foregoing that $2,000 setup, if I put the money that I saved, let's say $1,750 in an account that just tracks the market for the next 3 decades until my IRA reaches an age where I can withdraw from it, that's now $49,000 as opposed to a $2,000 expense. So again, view it as money in your pocket, not necessarily just all the money that you can bring in, but money you can prevent from going out and keeping that frugal lifestyle, because you see so many athletes that keep this elaborate lifestyle up and then their money stops coming in, and next thing you know, they're broke because they can't keep up with it. It's much easier to ride the waves of income if you are not having high expenses and don't have high debt. So that's today's little financial tip. Hope you have a good weekend. 2 major factors as well. So I personally, you guys, you can't be going this loud.